Hi there, Sister Beth. John is sorry he can't be with me today. He's home eating some of those chocolate chip cookies that you make for him. You can see I'm in Callahan Hall, a place that you spent many, many hours watching our women's basketball games and also the fellas. I know you'll miss it, but you can come back anytime, and if the times get bad, we can always suit you and I up to play for the women. How's that go? It's been wonderful to have you for a friend. You and I believe in the Lord, and we have had very good experiences here at Callahan. We know that you're going to continue on at your religious order of St. Joseph, doing things that the order needs you to do. And if it's fundraising, we know that you will do a wonderful job in it. If it isn't fundraising, whatever the order asks you to do, we know you will do. I think about 34. Okay, well, I knew it was over 30. She makes these big, huge chocolate chip cookies for John all the time. So that is I never eat them, but he loves them. We are going to miss you very, very much. We love you. God bless you.